Okay, Eric Bain back here again. I want to give a congratulatory discussion or outreach to these students. I mean, wow. Look at these students. A's. And this has been a tough class. Peyton, Yolanda, Terry, Shanika, Betty, Francesca. I am extremely impressed by you. And everybody out there, there's no reason that you can't do this work. I know these students are hard workers. They have a lot going on. They're busy. There's nobody on this list that's just taking it easy and relaxing. And I expect to see a lot more A's in the next 10 days. Why? Because you guys can do it. All right? Give these students, these classmates of yours, a cheer, because they deserve it. Fantastic work. You guys, any secrets or suggestions for your fellow students, let me know. Always love to hear it. But somehow, some way, you are just spectacular. So I want to let you know, and I expect to see a lot more people on this list. We have 10 days. Keep it up. I expect to see the list growing. And again, congratulations. Kudos to you. I'm very, very happy for you and your success. Just want to let you know that I appreciate all you're doing here at AIU.